Hey there everyone, my name is Rafi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your funnel look 10x better than what it currently looks like by changing one simple thing in there. So if I dive straight into the video, your funnel will probably have some kind of background color. By default, it will be white, but some of you might be using blue color or light blue or maybe green, black, red, whatever that works with your branding or with your color combination that you're using for your funnel. But there is one thing, one simple change that you can make on your funnel and make it look super, super clean and professional, and that is using CSS gradients. So, what are CSS gradients? So, basically, like you can see on the screen, this is what CSS gradients are. So, it's a combination of two colors, but it looks super clean and super, super like aesthetic as well. So, what you would have to do, you would have to go to this website, cssgradient.io. I will also paste the link in my description. Once you go to the website, you will have to scroll down and you will go to this section where it says swatches, and there will be a button browser the gallery. You will click on the button, and then you will be able to find multiple ready-made CSS gradients here. Now this collection will probably have the gradient that matches your color combination for your branding and for your funnel, so it will make your life very easy rather than creating your own gradient on the first page. So once you find the gradient that matches your branding, now let's say you are using purple color for your branding, or maybe you're using dark blue color for your branding. Now here, all you have to do is just click on this copy button. Once you have clicked on this copy button, the code is copied. And when I say code, don't panic. This is not something super techy. It's very, very easy. I'll show you how you can do it. Now you will go back to your funnel builder and you will select the section. Remember, the section is this green box. I'm not talking about this blue box or not talking about this orange box. I'm talking about the section, which is the green box. You will select the section, and from here on the right hand side of the screen, you will go to advanced, and from here you will scroll down and you will give a custom class name to your section. So what's a custom class name? It's just giving a name to your section that is unique, and that way you can trigger the CSS gradient for this section. Now let's say we call it CSS BG, which is background, and we hit enter. Once we hit enter, our CSS class name is ready. After that, we will go to this top nav bar and we will go to this icon where it says custom CSS. We'll click on this, and the first thing that you need to do, and it's very, very simple, you will add in a dot and then you will add in the custom class name, which is in our case CSS BG. Remember, you can always see it from here and then add it here. Adding the dot is very important. Without this dot, the code will not work. And after that, you will add the CSS BG. After that, you will use curly brackets. So it one will be the opening bracket, other will be the closing bracket. And after that, all you have to do is just paste the code that you copied from the website. Remember, you can always copy it by clicking here. Once the code is copied, all you have to do is hit save, and boom. You see how clean and how better it looks now as compared to before. And now we can come and we can make the text white. Oh, it's this one. Make the text white, and that's it. It is implemented. I'll show you a difference as well, what the difference look like between a gradient and adding a simple color. So you can look it for yourself. Right now we are using this purple gradient. Now what I'm gonna do, I will change the section back to purple. Remember, in order to do it again, or you will, in order to remove the gradient, you will have to remove the code and then save it. Once it is saved, I'll hit save again. As you can see the gradient here. I will do a comparison here. Let it save, preview, and you see, so right now you can see this purple background color. It looks clean, but it is still very dull. But when you go to this page, all of a sudden it's very different. It looks much cleaner, much better, and much aesthetic for your funnel. So that was the thing that I wanted to cover for you all, and I hope This video was simple and very straightforward. If you still have any questions, drop down in the comments. Once again, all you would have to do to implement the code, just copy the code from the website, go here, add in a dot, then use the class name that you entered in the advanced setting for the section, opening and closing curly bracket, and boom, copy paste this code, hit save, and the change will be implemented. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, then do like the video, do subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day ahead. See you soon. Bye bye.